Hello friends, today we'll be going through the Kubernetes tutorial. So basically I have given last two tutorials on the Docker only. And today we'll be going through Kubernetes. Okay, so basically I won't be going through the theory part of the Kubernetes, but I'll be going the practical example we'll see using a busybox as an operating system, how to create a pods, how to create a deployments, and how to see the logs. So basically we will be focusing on the practical part. Okay. uh, First assumption what I am looking at is, I hope you must be having installed with a Docker, okay, which I had told in last practical, but today I'll be showing small part of the Kubernetes, uh, how to install Kubernetes. So basically in the Docker only you'll click on this setting part. Okay, and then go to Kubernetes and just enable this Kubernetes and apply and restart. Okay, once this is enabled you will be having Docker running as well as Kubernetes running. So these are two important if you're using Kubernetes. And one more thing which I want to make it clear, like Docker and Kubernetes are both not same. Okay, they are not same both. Kubernetes is an orchestration tool, okay, and Docker is used to create a container. Okay, so in Docker also we are having something called a Docker Swarm, which is an orchestration tool. But we are not using Docker Swarm, we are using Docker with Kubernetes. Okay, so this makes a good combination such kind. Docker Swarm is I never use it, but I feel it little bit complicated as compared. Not complicated, it doesn't have those many tools which are there in the Kubernetes. So I'll prefer using Kubernetes as an orchestration tool, and Docker has for to creating a containers. Okay, so let's go on. So you need to enable this, and then you need to download um, one software environment. Sorry, system. Oh my god. So edit system environment, you need to download kubectl. Okay, go to environment path, both the places you need to add, and in the C drive you will find one exe. This PC. Okay, so in C drive I had created one folder called kubectl. Okay, this folder I created, and this is an exe file, okay, which I downloaded from the internet, from official site. You can download this kubectl. Just make a folder in C drive called kubectl and paste it over here, and then go to this environment path. This is for all users, and create C drive, put the path so it can be used globally. Okay, same thing you need to put it over here also in this path also, kubectl, and click on apply. Okay, okay, then you will be able to use kubectl command. Okay, see, you can check kubectl config view, so everything you will be able to see. So it's in a cluster, it's on the Docker desktop, so you are using Docker desktop application. So I'm using Docker desktop application on Windows. This is everything. Okay, so I hope this is clear with you how to install kubectl and Kubernetes on your system. Okay, I won't be focusing on the installation part. So yeah, so once we are able to see this, then we can type a command called kubectl get pods. I hope there are no pods in the system. Okay, so you will get no resources found. Okay, so there is one more thing which I want to show you. It's this piece, the desktop. Okay, okay. So this is a folder. I'll open this file. So no cubes are there, no pods are there, no pods are there. Cube and get. So this is by default you will be having Kubernetes cluster IP. You have, okay, and kubectl get deployment. I don't think nothing will, no resources one. Okay, so this is the part. So basically we'll be focusing how to create a pod, okay, using a deployment file. Okay, you can directly create a deployment file also, but I will focus you to create a deployment kind of a file. Okay, as I already told you that we will be going to use a busybox YAML. Okay, so this is a way how we will be creating a YAML config file. Okay, so there are different kinds of YAML files: deployment, then type of service, then replicas, then pods, specifically pods. We can create a file which will directly create a pod without creating a deployment config file, but I will suggest you to go with the deployment files only. Okay, so then deploy this file will be taking care of the creation of the pods. Okay, tomorrow if anything goes wrong, this deployment file will automatically check, and it will check the health of the pods, and all those things will be taken care with the deployment file. Okay, so then we will be going to the metadata giving a name to this file, then label to this. Okay, these are very important concept, but we as of now we won't be focusing on this part, because this label can be used, and this label will be used with the services to check which version to use. So if you're using busybox 1 and busybox 2, and suppose tomorrow if we're going and changing in the service that use a busybox 2, then that service will be pointing to the new cluster only, new pods only. Okay, it won't be focusing on the earlier. So this is basically when updation or upgradation of an application comes in a picture, so that time we can focus on these labels, but it's a very important concept in the Kubernetes. Okay, specs over here. Replicas, how many replicas we want to create? Okay, 5, 10, any replicas. Staging rolling updates we are giving. Okay, then selector, matching labels, busybox app template. Okay, template we are giving as a busybox. Container image name is a busybox. Okay, I hope you understood this. This is just a name for the template, but image is name of busybox. Okay, over here you can give your image also. Okay, then and command we are giving some. If this has hello world, had given my name actually. Okay, echo hello world and sleep 3000. This is because it should start continuously running after some time, because otherwise what will happen, you'll get an error called for this, you'll get an error called as crash loop back off if you're not typing sleep 3600. Okay, or else that I have you seen that Ubuntu, how we were using Ubuntu. I hope I had make this clear in the previous tutorial about dockers, so that we were giving minus it. Okay, because it should be running interactively. It should whenever we create a container, we assign a task to it. Okay, process to it, and once the process is finished, container will be off. Okay, it will be removed. So because to run it continuously and keep the container running, we were using minus it. Okay, interactive terminal we used to use. So something like that we are doing over here, so that it the container should keep on running. Okay, so this file I had created is YAML. Okay, so I'll go through that that file desktop. cdk it has, okay, dir. I'll get that busybox.yaml. These are the images, okay, the YAML file. Okay, now first command kubectl, okay, create -f, okay, busybox and YAML. Okay, so now deployment app has been created. So now if we are going with a command kubectl get deployment, see, nothing is ready. So same thing, I'll show kubectl, but out of 5 get pods container creating. So these are in creating state. Now the pods are getting created. So same thing, service get, sorry, kubectl get service, one service. Okay, so again we'll check kubectl get deployment. Okay, one is ready out of 5. So cube, I hope you're understanding what I'm doing. Kubectl get pods, so 2 are running. Okay, these are in the creating state. And kubectl get deployment, okay, 2 are running. Then what we can do is I'll show you log. Okay, kubectl logs. This is running, no? This, sorry, space. Kubectl logs. Okay, see. I hope you understand this. Whatever I've given in this hello world echo, whatever was running in that server, we have got a logs. So these logs can be used for debugging. Okay, and then wait. Now at least it should run. It should not take so much time. ctl get pods. So image pull off, pulling back off, taking time due to internet, I think. Okay, but after some time it will start running. Q C L get fine. CTN get. See, hope understood this. So this was saying like out of 5 are ready. Status is ready. Okay, and available. So all are running as of now because of this replicas. I said 5. So all 5 busybox deployment, all 5 due to these replicas are running. Okay, image was I'm using was a busybox. So suppose tomorrow if you want to use Ubuntu, just type replace the image Ubuntu and recompile the pods, this file deployment file, and then all Ubuntu's will be starting running. Okay, so you may have to delete the deployment before that. So one thing I can show you is to delete this kubectl delete all. So everything is getting deleted, deleting the pods, deleting the services which has been created, deleting the deployment, deleting the replica sets which has been created using these replicas. Everything is getting deleted. Okay, so now you will see no resources for any issues or any comments. If you are having, you can put it in the comment sections and I'll try to resolve as soon as possible. Okay, this is using a deployment file YAML file. I'm saying deployment config YAML file I'm using. Okay, now see, everything is deleted. So I'm saying kubectl get pods no resource found. I'll get, see, okay, everything has been deleted. So again you can just type kubectl create -f busybox YAML file, and it will start creating all these things. Pod 5 pods will be creating service, it will be creating deployment file, it will be creating replica set, it will be creating and everything health and all those things. If anything goes down, it will be checked by the Kubernetes. You don't have to check if any pod is working or not. Everything will be checked by the orchestration tool Kubernetes. Okay, so this is one example, and one more thing you can do is you can use kubectl, okay, create deployment. That command also you can use. That I won't be showing in this tutorial. That's it for today. Okay, I can create a separate file. If you have any doubt, you can just comment it in the comment section. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you guys. This file I'll be putting in the GitHub. It will be in the description box. You can check it out. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.